Welcome to NMT Auto Service at 4th Line and Spears Road with easy access from the QEW and the GO train. NMT Auto Service is your one-stop shop for all your automotive needs. Family owned for nearly a decade, we offer everything from regular maintenance, undercoating, brakes and tires, mufflers, alignment services, major engine overhauls and transmission service, as well as automotive accessories. We are proud of our solid reputation and our nearly 5-star Google rating. Here's Miles to tell you more about how NMT can help you.
Here at NMT Auto Service, we offer a complete range of automotive services performed by some of the highest trained technicians in the industry. We service import, domestic, European, performance, and exotic vehicles, offering OEM maintenance, complete engine and transmission overhauls, suspension, tires and rims, accessories, AC service and repair, and much, much more. We're proud to be a one-stop shop, and not to mention the highest rated shop in Oakville, and we can't wait to meet you and your car.